What if I told you that your desires aren't just dreams, but signals that your future self is already trying to send you? Today we're diving into a powerful method to turn your wishes into reality using the law of resonance and heart-based energy. This isn't just about thinking positively. It's about tuning your entire being into the frequency of your goals. What you experience is a reflection of your subconscious beliefs. If you constantly attract toxic people, it may reflect unresolved beliefs about your self-worth. Change your inner dialogue, and you change what you attract. Every thought, belief, and emotion we carry emits a vibration. This vibration, or resonance, interacts with the quantum field around us. Like a piano key causing other keys to vibrate, our emotions send signals that align with people, events, and outcomes vibrating at the same frequency. If your inner world is in chaos, your outer world reflects it. But the opposite is also true. Neuroscience and quantum studies show that the heart has an electromagnetic field that is 5,000 times stronger than the brain's. Our heart influences our emotions, and those emotions influence how reality responds to us. Feeling joy, gratitude, or love amplifies your energy field and aligns you with what you truly desire. Wishes only come true when you believe in them emotionally, not just logically. You can repeat affirmations all day, but if deep down you carry fear or doubt, that's the signal you're truly sending. Your wish must be felt, visualized, and believed with your entire body and soul. Not all wishes manifest, only clear and emotionally charged ones do. Step 1. Define exactly what you want. Be specific. Step 2. Write it down in the present tense as if it's already true. Step 3. Visualize the result with joy, peace, and gratitude. Create a vision board or an image book with pictures that reflect your dream. The resonance field responds with yes to everything you truly believe and feel. I don't want to be alone sends out alone as the dominant vibration. Instead, say I enjoy meaningful and loving companionship and feel the joy of that imagined moment. Your environment affects your resonance. Limit exposure to negative media, toxic conversations, and self-sabotaging thoughts. Surround yourself with uplifting music, books, and people. Make your emotional diet as clean as your physical one. Quantum fields allow your thoughts and emotions to travel beyond time and space. Your desire can affect the future, and the future can signal back through your intuition and synchronicities. You're not alone. Your energy is always in motion, always communicating. To attract what you want, live as if it's already yours. Want to be healthy? Walk, eat, and breathe like someone who is. Want success? Start your day with the habits of the person you aspire to be. The more your energy matches your dream, the faster it will find you. Reality doesn't start out there. It starts within, through belief, emotion, and resonance. So the question isn't if you can have what you want, it's whether you're tuned to receive it.
No need for a daily supplement when you have got this channel. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one.